Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so the question is, when you restart the SQL server, okay, which system database will come online and which system database, like, yeah, the order of system databases, how the system databases will come online first. First, which database will
Master
come
will come, sir.
online?
First
Please,
master,
please,
First
please,
master will come.
next
Then
temp,
please,
Master temp
10 messages
model.
in the chat.
Model.
I can't understand, Subhani. Please
Okay.
send so that I'll get an idea, right? So who is saying correct answer and all. Okay. So when you start your SQL server or when you restart your SQL server, what is the order of system databases are coming online? First, which system database will come? After that, which system database? Next, which system database? Like this. What is the order of coming the system databases online, guys?
Model.
Try, guys. Try. Please try. Okay. 27 participants, 28 participants are there. It's not very difficult. Whatever you know, if you know the importance of the database, you can easily order it. First, which is very important. Next, which is very important. If you know the order and if you know some properties, definitely you can order these databases. Still 15 people has to respond.
Master research template. MSDB. మాస్టర్ వచ్చేసిద్ది మాస్టర్ తర్వాత
Guys, 5 more people has to respond. 5 people are there to respond. Please respond. Three people has to respond. Please respond. Otherwise, I'll ask you. I'll ping you and I'll ask you if you don't respond.
ఏం సరే
ఏం సుబాని అంత కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోతున్నావా?
ఒక్క నిమిషం ఓకే మాస్టర్
Okay, one person has to respond. One person, the last person has to respond.
Sir, this is Murli, sir.
Yeah, Murli, tell me.
Sir, I have some problems with my bike.
Okay, no issues. Okay, no issues. So I got all the responses, guys. Let me check now. Let me go top. And of course, Sanjeev responded first. Master resource temp DB MSDB. Fanendra, master. Simply you said master, okay. Arun, master temp model MSDB. Arun. Deepu, master temp. Anand, master temp. Chidananda, master temp. Ravi, master temp. Sampath, master resource model temp MSDB. Sampath, okay. Balvenkatesh, master temp. Panindra, master temp. Master temp. Divya, temp will start first, huh? Okay, fine. Malleshwara, master temp. Ankam, master resource. Okay, then temp. Ankam Rao, master resource and then temp. Master temp, master model, MSDB, temp DB, resources, Ramapriya. Okay. And master temp. Guys, most of you, 90% of you said master temp. Okay, master and temp. 99%, 2 or 3% said correct answer. Remaining all said master temp, then model. Guys, tell me, guys, without model, how can I bring temp online first? Logic, right? We discussed the same point, right? If there is no model DB, I cannot create temp DB. If my model DB is not online, first, on what basis your temp DB can be created, guys? On what basis? If there is
The
no role
database
model, if there is no role model, on what basis you are going to like improve? Is it possible, guys? Without model, can I create TempDB first? My TempDB will be created first. Ankam Rao?
No, sir.
Logical point, right?
Yes, sir.
First temp has to like first temp won't come online. If it has to come online means first model has to come online. On basis of if model comes online, then only temp will knows what is the model database size, what is the model database files location and all. Based on that only temp will be created, right? Right. So this is wrong, guys. Not master. Master is fine, very good. Everyone said master. Only one or two said okay temp DB. Okay. Master is fine. First master will come online. Then your wife and husband, right? You cannot live like that. Okay, lovers. So you
Resource.
are see resource. Okay, master and resource database. Okay, then this wife and husband, once this wife and husband comes online, then your model will come online. Based on the model, your temp will come online. Finally, MSDB is optional, right? And all your user databases. This is the order of coming the system databases online, guys. Now you know the logic. Everyone know?
according to
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
but database ID, it's different, sir.
Database ID is different. Don't compare like that. Okay. You don't think, okay, first database ID is one. So master, as per the database ID, this is the order, guys. Okay. As per the DB ID, master one. After master, the second one is temp DB. Okay.
DB.
I know you are going to apply the same logic. Okay. Next, the third is model DB. Okay. And the fourth is your MSDB. Okay.
MSDB, then
And
resource.
finally, not the next also, finally the
Yes,
32,767
user
lot
group.
of user databases are there. Finally, okay, your
Resource.
particular resource database will be there, resource. Okay, so database ID order is different, guys. Starting order is different. Don't confuse. Okay, don't confuse. Don't apply the knowledge like that. The basic point you cannot forget. Without model, there is no temp DB, right? So first my model has to be started, right? Clear? Any issues, any doubts, guys?
Sir, as you
Yes,
said that the physical location is we are going to store in the resource DB.
Correct,
Right, sir?
correct.
Yeah, in that result, so we are able to see, sir,
No.
regarding
You
that
cannot
resource DB.
access your resource database. You cannot access your resource database. You don't have access. That's why it was a hidden. Okay, so very sensitive database. It won't visible to you, and you cannot run any queries on resource database.
Sorry, sir. What I'm saying in the result is there now in that window, particular window, current window.
Okay.
And in the last, the name under name,
Mm-hmm.
here see data and log only, not
Yes.
like other system. Means
You cannot see name of the database. You can only see data and log. For other databases, you can see database name, employee underscore log. Okay, for resource
system,
database,
even system database also it's there.
it will
It's
be
like
there.
there.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So any questions, any doubts on system databases, guys? Very important. If system databases are corrupted, okay, your SQL server won't start, guys. If any system database is corrupted, your SQL server won't start. If user databases are corrupted, my SQL server will start or not start, guys?
Will start, sir.
It will
Started,
start.
sir.
Which database is corrupted, that database will be offline, guys. If my user database, any of my user database is corrupted, that particular the user database only will be offline. Remaining all databases will perfectly work, no issues. But if any any system database is corrupted, the whole SQL server won't be started, guys. Now you know the reason why the SQL server won't be started. Other than MSDB, if any system database is corrupted, your master, model, temp DB or resource database, in all these four, if any 99% resource database won't be corrupted. If resource database is corrupted, we cannot do anything, guys. Okay. Remaining other system database like master, model, I'm sorry, not MSDB, temp DB and your resource. If these four system database, any of the system database is corrupted, your SQL server won't start. Okay, so this is all about your system databases, guys. And you know the common questions: what are the order ID of each system database? What is the database ID of the system databases? What model will do? What MSDB will do? What TempDB will do? These are the interview questions, guys. Interview questions. Mainly, we discuss it, right? How TempDB will be created. Okay, whenever you restart, on the basis of model, it will be created, right? So the interviewers want to listen, okay, whether you know that point or not, whether TempDB will consider model DB while creating or not. Okay, so these kind of questions you are going to get from the interview for the interview, guys, and the starting order of the databases, how the databases are going to be started, guys. These are the important questions from the system databases. Okay,
Okay, sir.
done. Done, guys. Okay, so let's go to the next topic called patching. Okay, so today we'll just discuss only what is patching, what is meant by updates, how many types of updates are there. Tomorrow we'll proceed for patching, guys. Right. So patching means what? What is meant by patching?
It's a
Update,
small
sir.
doubt.
Service. Update.
Updates are service. What's bunny?
Uh, we have to apply new things to SQL, sir.
Okay. The simple definition: applying the updates, you can call it as a patching, guys. Let me mute you all. Run. Okay. So what is patching, guys? Nothing. Daily you are doing patching in your mobile phone. Okay, daily, knowingly or unknowingly, you're doing patching. Simply, you're applying the updates for your apps. If your WhatsApp is not updated, you're updating. If your phone page is not updating, you're updating the app manually. If your Zomato is not updating, you're updating this app manually. Sometimes they are going to be updated automatically, but there is no automatic updates in the SQL server. We have to update it manually, guys. So daily, you're doing patching in your phone. It's not a new thing for you. Daily, you're going to do a patching. Or tell me one thing, guys. While patching any application in your phone, are you able to access that application?
No,
You
sir. Until
don't
complete we can't.
you don't find very big difference, but remember, guys, while updating the app will be closed suddenly. I don't know how many of you observed, but while if you open the app and if you're trying to update the app will be closed. Means updating, while applying the updates, the apps will be restarted. In the same way, SQL Server also will behave, guys. Applying the SQL Server updates, you can call it as a patching. Patchwork. You know, right? Patchwork, how we are going to do the patching and all. Maintenance purpose. Agree? Right? So in the same way, if updates are very common, what if I don't apply updates, guys? What if you don't apply your update your WhatsApp? What happened if you don't update your phone pay?
We don't get
Will
to
not
new
get
features,
new
sir.
features.
New videos, yes.
Okay, very good. Every time when you are updating, you will get new features.
Security purpose.
No, sir. Security
No,
buff.
sir.
Performance may
Security
purpose performance.
security is a bug, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Very important point is security, especially this phone pay, Google Pay. Okay, these are all banking apps, right? Money transfer, we can do money transfer. So should be very secured, right? So don't think if you apply the patching, then I'll get the new features. Okay, no. Actually, if you apply the patching, you don't get the new features. Might be some major patchings, you may get the new feature. In the SQL server, when you apply the patchings, when you apply the updates, you don't get any new feature. Believe me, you don't get any new feature when you patch your SQL server, guys. So then why we are going to do the patching? You know the answer: for security vulnerabilities. Like we just connected since morning 7 a.m. right? This is our work. Regularly we are going to woke up and we'll complete our works and we are going to listen the class or we are going to do the work, your office works and all. In the same way, creating issues is also some other person's works. You see, right? YouTube, they will keep some beautiful thumbnails and all, and they will try to encourage you. Nothing is there in the video, but they will try to encourage with the particular thumbnails. You will attract with the thumbnails and you are going to watch those videos. That is their work. Nonsense, creating nonsense is their work. Creating rumors is some others work. In the same way, like this, we have a separate group also. Those are all hackers. Continuously their work is only going to hack it, creating lot of virus files and trying to hack the systems, trying to hack the databases. That is their work. How you are doing your work, that is their work, guys. They'll keep on finding the loopholes of any apps, finding the loopholes of any softwares. That is their work. Since morning 7 a.m., you know how many virus files are created? Okay, it's their work around the globe. Thousands of virus files are created in this 1 hour. That's their responsibility. Why? Because they will get the money, right? If you hack the system and all. So guys, security is very important. You are giving excellent features, but there is no security. Then what is the use of that app? When bank is giving a 36% interest rate, but if you keep your money in that bank, there is no guarantee. Then why you are going to deposit the money in that bank, guys? So you cannot see only features. You have to see the security also. Okay, so without security, there is no use of the database, guys. So security is very important. So that's why we have to apply the updates means for security vulnerabilities, guys. Regularly virus files will attack our database. Regularly virus files will attack our databases. Like how this corona, okay, how mutations are there, how corona is going to be mutated every time. In the same way, the hackers are trying to mutate themselves with the different file formats and all. They're trying to keep on hacking your phone. They'll try to keep on hacking the databases. Okay, so that's why to overcome these things, Microsoft will release the updates, guys. Who will release, guys? The vendor. Who is the vendor for SQL Server? Microsoft. Microsoft will release the updates continuously. Okay, those are like different. There are different types of updates, guys. In the updates, we have different types of updates. SPs, service packs. CUs, cumulative updates. QFEs, quick fix engineering. GDR, general distribution release. These are all different updates from the Microsoft, guys. Different updates. Some are major updates, some are minor updates. Okay, so service packs actually up to SQL Server 2016, this is an interview question, guys. We have service pack concept. Up to SQL Server 2016. We have service pack concept, guys. Means up to SQL Server 2016, you can see service packs, major updates. From SQL Server 2017 onwards, there is no concept of service packs. Okay, CUs, cumulative update, guys. Cumulative updates. From SQL Server 2017 onwards, we have cumulative updates. We have cumulative updates. Cumulative. Earlier also we have cumulative updates, but service pack concept is totally removed from. But don't think I'm not saying updates are removed. No. Okay, so the same thing they are going to publish with CUs, guys. Updates will be there, but they are publishing in some other way. That is your CUs. Okay, guys. And remaining, these are all like on demand. QFE, quick fix engineering. QFE means if any bugs are there, in the SQL Server, Microsoft is going to release on the fly. It is going to release one update within 1 day gap or within 24 hours, within 48 hours. It is going to release one update to fix the bugs. That is called QFE. In the same way, GDR, security patches, general distribution releases. Okay, so GDRs also is there. GDR means it's a security patch. Definitely you have to patch your SQL Server. Means suddenly one big virus came into the market. Anyone heard about this ransomware?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, around
Yes, sir.
2016, 2017, like that, or 2018,
Yes,
I
sir.
guess, right? So 40% of the Windows machines are hacked. Windows machines are hacked, and hackers locked your laptop, guys. 40% around the globe, hackers hacked your laptops and servers. They demanded some money to unlock your laptops. The virus name is ransomware. Suddenly, if any big virus came into the market, chalo, Microsoft don't tell you, hey customers, please wait, I'm working on this. I'll release an update after 1 month. After 1 month, is it possible to unlock our machines? Is it possible we can postpone the office work for 1 month? Is it possible all the offices can shut down for 1 month as Microsoft is going to release the update next 1 month, guys? So not like that. In that cases, in that situation, Microsoft will keep on working. Their engineers will keep on working. They will immediately release one update, guys. They will break the virus code and they are going to release one pack on update. You have to patch your SQL servers, okay, or else, okay, your SQL products, you have to patch with that particular product, guys. Patching means don't think only SQL server will have patchings. Your Windows servers, the one which you are using, the OS also will have patchings. Your Windows team also will do patchings on your Windows machines regularly. That is their product. Windows OS is their product. So for Windows OS also we have updates. For SQL Server also we have an update. Like for phone is going to be updated, right? Not regularly, but rarely it will be updated. Your Android phones and all will be updated automatically from 9 to 10, 10 to 11. Okay, so the phone is your Windows operating system kind of thing. The apps regularly they are going to be updated, guys. So Windows also will have service packs. Windows also will have cumulative updates. Windows also will have updates, guys. Windows people will apply those updates on the Windows server. You can forget about those updates. But as a SQL DBA, are responsible for SQL updates. We are going to patch, means we are going to apply the updates on the SQL servers that we are managing, guys. That is called patching. Patching means simply applying the updates. You can say it as a patching. While patching, your SQL server is going to be rebooted, guys. Okay, while patching, your SQL server is going to be rebooted. So reboot means what? All the databases will go offline. If the databases are offline, means can you access your applications, guys?
No, sir.
You want to transfer
sir.
money to one customer. You just logged into the internet banking and suddenly someone is restarting, okay, or someone is patching your HDFC banking servers. Can you send money? Can you access HDFC application now?
No.
If the
No, sir.
database is down, if the database server is down, you cannot access the application, guys. The simple answer is the application will be down. You're buying some products in the Amazon. Someone is restarted the Amazon database servers. You cannot complete the payment. You cannot complete the process, guys. You cannot complete the order. Okay, so guys, database should be up and running 24/7, guys. Very important. Some see, if it was down for 1 minute, 1 second, also lot of loss will be there for the customers. They don't agree. Okay, so patching, while patching means it is going to the SQL servers are going to be restarted during the patching. So that's why we don't do this patching during business hours. We'll do this patching during non-business hours, like after 6 p.m., 7 p.m. or night 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or weekends. Okay, Saturdays. Some applications doesn't have business on Saturdays, Sundays. I'm not saying, sir, for Amazon, Saturday also will work, Sunday also will work, night also will work, morning also will work. Then how to patch Amazon servers? There is a separate concept for that. Okay, but normal applications, okay, if Sunday, Saturday and all not working, then we'll patch it during weekends, guys. So it's a patching is a downtime activity. We'll only patch during business, during non-business hours and during weekends, guys. During non-business hours and during weekends. So patching needs reboot of your SQL server. The SQL servers will be restarted automatically while doing the patching, guys. Okay, so let me show you the patching updates, whatever updates are there. Let me show you, guys. Earlier we gave one website, right, to see the bill numbers and all. What is that website? Anyone remember that?
SQL server
Microsoft
builds.
SQL server
Builds
blogspot
box.
dot
Builds.blogspot.com. Open
blogspot.
this buildspots. Okay, open this website, guys. You can see here. Okay, if you see up to SQL Server 2016, you can see SPs, right? Max SPs, guys, SP4 only. Maximum till now for any software, max service pack is up to SP4 only. Service packs will release every year, guys. Yearly updates. Service packs are yearly updates. Service packs are yearly updates, guys. Yearly they are going to release. But don't think every year they will release. Minimum 1 year gap will be there. Yearly updates. If it was released in this year, might be it can release 2022, right? 2023 or 2024. That's Microsoft wish when it is going to release. Okay, so minimum 1 year it will take. Microsoft will take minimum 1 year. These are the major updates, and of course now it won't release any service pack. There is no service pack concept, but earlier it was released like that. for SQL Server up to 2016, it was released like that. See here, for 2016, it released SP3. Okay, recently only it released. Recently means if you go and click this SQL 2016, you can see when it was released, guys. When it was released, 27. This is on-demand hotfix, Service Pack 3. If you can see here, on-demand hotfix, 27th October 2021, guys. Okay, means last year October 2021. And let me go back again, guys. Don't confuse here. So these are the service packs. Okay, this is your RTM. When you install SQL Server, you will get this number. When you install SQL Server 2016 for the first time, you will get this number, guys. Once you patched your SQL Server with SP1, this 13.0 major version, minor version won't be changed, guys. Will be same like that only, but the third number and fourth numbers are going to be changed. If you patch your SQL Server 2016 with SP1, 1601 will become 4001, .5 will become .0. If you patch your SQL Server with SP2, 1601 will become 5026, .5 will become .0. 1601 will become 6300, .5 will become .2. The number will keep on increasing. If you observe it, 1601, this is 1600, this is 4000, this is 5000, this is 6300. The number will keep increasing, guys. It won't decrease. Clear? These are the major updates, guys. I want to download this service pack. You can happily download it. Click on this. It will open in separate window. And of course, it will go to the Microsoft.com website. Okay, now you can see, right? So if you go down, you can see here, guys. These are the fixes that is going to be fixed by your particular SP1. And if you go down, guys, each update we can call it as a KBs, guys, knowledge base, KB. If you see here on the top, you can see KB article, right? KB means what? Knowledge base. Every update will have one number that is called KB numbers. This is KB 3182545 for SQL Server's Service Pack 1. Okay, so where you can download it, SQL Server 2006 is available for download at SQL Server. Here, this is your download page. If you click on it, it will be downloaded, guys. Okay, you will get download page link, and directly you will get the download option. You can click on download. It will ask you for, okay, see here, it will be downloaded, guys. Yes, it was started downloading. 552 MB is there. See here, SQL Server 2016 SP1. This is how you have to download the service pack. Sometimes your team leads, managers will ask, hey, please download the service pack or cumulative update. This is how you can use this builds.blogspot.com, guys. Whatever you want to download, you can just click on that link. It will be routed to the Microsoft website, guys. Okay, so again, on top of this, you can see some updates, guys. CU9, CU15, CU17. What are these, guys? What are these updates?
Cumulative update.
Cumulative updates.
Cumulative
Very good. Okay, let me open this Excel sheet. Please listen carefully. Nothing is there, guys. Major updates, minor updates. That's it. Okay. This is my SQL Server RTM. Okay. When you install SQL Server, you will get this RTM copy. On top of RTM, you can patch with SP1. On top of RTM, you can patch with SP2. This is up to SQL Server 2016, guys. SP3. Finally, you have SP4, guys. Max SP4 only, but it's not mandatory that every software will have a SP4. See here, 2014 only having 3 service packs. 2016 also only having 3 service packs. 2012 4 service packs are there. 2008 R2 3 is there. 2008 4 service packs. 2005 4 service packs. You can see like this. Okay, right. So listen carefully here. This is my RTM copy. This is service pack 1. This is service pack 2, service pack 3, service pack 4. Again, on your RTM, minor updates will be there. CU1. Okay, so let me drag CU10, right? Again, on service pack is a major update, right? You will have CU1, CU10, CU10 20. That is just, I'm giving example purpose. I'm saying CU10, guys. Okay, you might have CU20, 25 also will be there. Okay, completely every update will have a number, guys. Okay. So CU10, CU15, CU16, CU17, like how many updates Microsoft is releasing, that many updates you can see, guys. CU1, each update will have a one number. Okay, and CU1. Don't confuse here, guys. Don't confuse here. Okay, so these are main. Control B. Done. On top of RTM, if minor updates are there, you can patch, you can download these minor updates and you can patch your SQL Server RTM with minor updates, guys. Done. You just patched your SQL Server with SP1. See, after these minor updates, only your SP1 is there, guys. Okay. So happily, if you patch your SQL Server with SP1, happily you can leave about your, you can ignore these updates, guys. These are simply minor updates, right? You can ignore all these updates. Your SP1 contains all these updates, guys. Right, fine. On top of SP1, again, you will have cumulative updates, guys. Why? Because I told you, right? SP1 is released in this year means, again, SP2 is going to be released in 2023 or 2024. Agree? Agree or not? This point is clear or not? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
till 2024, if you don't patch your SQL Server, where is the security? Every minute, every second, the virus files are going to be created, right? So to overcome this, again, Microsoft will keep releasing minor updates until it is going to release SP2. Agree? So you can keep on updating your SQL Server with minor updates. So actually, guys, up to 2016, we'll patch our servers 2 times. One is with major update service pack, then another one is with minor updates, cumulative updates, guys. 2 times we'll apply patches. One is major update, second one is minor update. Each major update again will have a minor updates, guys. And again, this CU1 is not equal to this CU1. If you patch your SQL Server RTM with this CU1, you can happily patch this your SQL Server RTM with this. If you want to patch your SQL Server with SP1 CU1, guys, what is the minimum requirement? Can you tell me?
At least you need to install SP1.
Yes,
Patch with
exactly.
SP1.
I cannot directly
SP1.
patch my SQL Server with CU10, guys. Why? Because this is SP1 CU10, right? First, I have to patch my SQL Server with SP1. Then on top of my SP1 CU10. Okay. But this SP1 CU10 is different. SP2 CU10 is different. Don't think any CU10 is same. I can apply on any service pack. No. If I want to apply this service pack, I should have SP2. If you download this service pack and you are running with SP1, you cannot apply this service pack on SP1, guys. Is it clear? If I want to apply
Yes,
this
sir.
cumulative update, I should have this service pack. If I want to apply this, the numberings are same, but you cannot see CU1 only. This is SP1 CU1. This is SP2 CU1. Now tell me, both are same?
No, sir. It's different.
No, sir. Both are different.
Very different, right? Both are different, completely different. This is SP3 CU1. So anyhow, all the CU1s, right? I can apply any CU1. No, that won't work. If you want to apply this CU1, you have to patch with SP3. If you want to apply this CU6, you have to patch with SP4. Is it clear, guys? Everyone,
sir.
please,
Yes.
everyone, please respond. If you have any questions, let me know.
Yes, sir.
Any questions, please? I know this is somewhat little bit confusing, but again, please ask me after next class. Sir, I am unable to understand that point. Okay, you can ask, but again, while discussing, if you ask means that is more aptable. Okay, after 1 week or 1 day or 2 days, if you ask means, again, I cannot completely, I cannot explain all the things. Please let me know. Is it clear, everyone, guys? Major updates,
Sir,
minor updates, and the difference.
Sir, if I go for a C10 means the basic is SP.
Any
Not
CU10. See,
not
CU10
look.
means
Okay.
my next question is which CU10? RTM CU10, SP1 CU10, SP2 CU10. Which CU10? I have a lot of CU10s.
Yeah, SP1 C10, sir.
Then in that case, you have to patch your SQL Server with SP1 first.
Okay.
Okay, you have to patch
So
your SQL Server with SP1 first.
CU10 is not look for CU9, C8 like that.
No. Very
Look
good
for
question, guys.
SP1.
Very good question. Very good question. Very good question, Antam.
Thanks, sir.
Listen carefully here. Okay, just 1 minute. 1 minute. Hello. Right. Okay. So It's not mandatory. I want to patch this my SQL server. I want to patch this SQL server with the latest service pack SP4. It's not mandatory that you should have SP1, SP2, SP3. Not required. You can directly jump from RTM to SP4, guys. You want to patch your SQL server with SP4 CU10. These are all not required. Directly you can patch from SP4 to CU10. No need to install CU1, CU2, CU3. Why? Because this CU10 contains CU9 876543221. This CU9 contains 876543221. All the latest update contains all the previous updates files, guys. Whatever latest update is there, it contains all the previous updates. Whatever latest service pack is there, it contains all the previous service packs. So again, I no need to install my SQL server with SP1 first, then SP2, SP3. By this time, I want to patch my SQL server. What is the latest service pack for SQL Server 2016, guys? What is the latest service pack for SQL 2016?
SP3, sir.
That's it.
SP3.
No need to install SP1, SP2. You can directly patch your SQL Server RTM with SP3, guys. You can skip all the other service packs. Again, in the SP3 also, if you go to SP3, I guess there is no cumulative updates. If you see here, SP2, there are 17 cumulative updates. If you click on it, you can see all the 17 cumulative updates, guys. It is not, it is just open. Do one thing, okay? Just click on the 2016. You can see all the updates. See here. This is cumulative update 17, okay, for SP2. Like this, you can see cumulative update 17 for SQL Server 2016 Service Pack 2, latest CU, when it was released 29th March. Okay, and 16 is there, CU 16. And again, we have CU 15, 14, 13, 12. Okay, CU 11, 11, 10. So I don't want to install all these things. I can simply update my SQL Server with CU 17. But I should have SP2. This is SP2 CU 17, right? I should have SP2, guys. First, SP2 has to be patched. Then I can apply the service pack. I can apply the SP2 service pack, and on top of SP2, I can apply the CU17, guys. This is how it will work. Let me reconnect. You can ask your questions.